couple of weeks ago when I came in here, they were busy stripping the paint. They'd actually used a poultice first of all, and they'd put the paint stripper on, covered it all up, and then Peelaway it's called, and they peeled the whole thing away and brought the paint with it. But there was still some rubbing down to do, and they were taking great precautions because they believed it might be lead paint, but they weren't absolutely sure. So I said to them, give us a little sample of it, I'll take it away and I'll just check to see whether it is lead paint. And I'm going to show you how I did that, and more importantly what the results were. Was all that effort in vain? I mean, it's always a good idea to keep the dust down anyway, but when it's lead you've got to take some extra precautions. So this is the lead test kit that you get. Now you can pick these up from your local decorator store, normally a trade place, or in this case I got these off Amazon. I think there's actually a sell by date on them, by the way, so doesn't mean you can keep them forever. So what you get in here, just basically some little cotton buds if you like. So here's the sample of stripped paint that I took away from their endeavours a few weeks ago. And if I just take a little bit of that out, dip it in the water, shake it off. It's important that you don't have too much water on there. Here's our proven sample, if you like. This is the one that we put onto the lead. So now we're just going to try this one. You can see straight away that it's changed colour. Slightly different shade to the other one, isn't it? But maybe the lead's dispersed in the paint. But it's a clear indication that there is lead in that paint. So what it says on the instructions is that you're supposed to do it for 30 seconds, use it immediately that you've dipped it in water and shaken it off. And if it stays the mustard colour, which was the colour you can see on the lower part here, if it stays that colour, that's a negative result. There's no lead in it. And if it changes to any other colour, this indicates a presence of lead. And you can see they give you some pictures here, some samples of the kind of colours you would expect to see if there's lead. And this would be, I think, resembling that last one, a sort of purpley colour. But this one's interesting, isn't it? Because I'm not even sure that one is represented on the list, but this is definitely lead here. You can see if I roll it round there, the bottom half of it, which was still mustard, is now picking up the lead sample there. The good thing is that everything that they did to protect themselves from lead contamination was very worthwhile doing. So if you want to know, just pick these up. You can pick them up from Amazon or your local decorator shop and do that quick test. It's an instant test and it will at least put your mind at rest. You don't have to shave paint off. You can just go and rub it on the paintwork. So if you're rubbing down a window frame or something like that, just rub it on there and you'll see straight away whether you've got lead paint. So I'm Roger Bisbee. Come back and see us soon on Skill Builder. We'll have more fun, more videos, more everything coming up. No, just videos actually.